Hi, I'm Rebecca, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chia pudding. So I'm using chia seeds from Healthworks and also goji berries from Healthworks. You're going to want a tablespoon, and I put about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and then 1 tablespoon of goji berries, so you can see what it looks like here. And then I've got some homemade almond milk, which I just made in the blender. So I let the almonds soak overnight and then put them in the Vitamix and blended them. And so you're just gonna add a little bit of almond milk. I like to add enough, everything's covered. The chia seeds and the goji berries are completely submerged. And then I'm gonna let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. The goji berries and the chia seeds will absorb the almond milk, and they'll get into this thick kind of gooey consistency that's like a pudding. And then once the pudding is ready, once it has set, then you can eat it. This is an excellent breakfast if you like to work out in the morning and you just want to have some quick energy. So what I like to do is prepare it, and then while I'm waiting for it to set, I do a breathing exercise. So I've let it set about 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's nice and thick. So there's a nice consistency here. Sometimes I like to add bananas to this if I have a big day coming up and I feel like I need a little bit of sugar. So yeah, just stir it up and let's check it out. Delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making lots more of these videos. So if you liked it, you can like it, you can share it with your friends, you can also subscribe. I look forward to seeing you again. If you have any questions,